Today, we take you inside a luxury leather factory to show how premium belts are made through a precise, high-end production process.
The journey begins where nature is carefully raised.
Every step is part of a controlled beginning.
Precision starts with close human supervision.
Pathways are prepared for the next transition.
Movement is guided with quiet control.
The transition from open land to process begins here.
Transport systems move into position with precision timing.
The path is secured for upward movement.
Each step carries them into controlled transport.
Entry flows smoothly into structured placement.
Balanced positioning ensures safe transit. Loading completes as the journey begins.
Transport transitions into long-distance precision movement.
Consistency is maintained across every mile.
Human control ensures a stable journey forward.
The destination begins to take shape.
Arrival aligns with controlled entry systems.
The process continues inside a controlled industrial environment.
Arrival transitions into controlled unloading.
The contained space opens for safe release. A controlled path is formed back to ground level. Each step is guided with precision and calm. Movement continues in a steady, controlled sequence. Unloading completes as the next stage begins. Movement continues deeper into controlled inspection zones.
Inspection begins at a controlled threshold. Order defines the beginning of assessment.
Every detail is observed with precision.
Levels look good, clear on the flank.
Confirmed. Assessment ensures process readiness.
Approved movement leads into the next stage.
Raw hides enter the controlled cleaning phase before refinement. Every surface is carefully cleansed under precise pressure control.
Delicate cleaning preserves the natural integrity of the hide.
Controlled drying stabilizes the material for next transformation. Purity is achieved through layered washing control.
Only stabilized hides progress toward transformation. Washed hides now enter the controlled transformation environment. Washed hides now enter the controlled transformation environment. Stability is achieved through precise controlled treatment. Pressure defines the beginning of leather formation. Material consistency is refined through controlled alignment. The transformation completes into ready production leather. Processed leather enters automated precision cutting systems for belt manufacturing. Digital precision defines every belt structure layout.
Each belt strip is formed with exact industrial precision.
Support components prepare alongside main belt production. Every detail component is shaped for structural durability and design.
Independent elements now converge into unified belt construction flow. Separated belt components now converge into structured luxury assembly.
Accuracy is locked before craftsmanship begins. Every connection defines premium structural integrity. Detail work creates the signature of craftsmanship. Strength is reinforced through layered precision. Assembly completion leads into final refinement. The surface is refined to reveal premium natural luster. Every detail is enhanced to define luxury precision. Identity is applied with controlled craftsmanship.
Only flawless pieces proceed to final presentation. Protection and elegance merge in final presentation.
From precision to presentation, ready for global delivery.
The final stage of production transitions into global distribution.
Automation ensures perfect structural logistics for global shipment. Every finished unit moves with precision toward departure. Structured loading ensures maximum efficiency and safety. Precision continues even after production ends.
From factory floor to global destination, the journey begins.